Hey guys, this is Human, and today I want to show you how you can make your LinkedIn agent using Toolhouse. So it's pretty easy to build. You don't need to bring any configurations, you don't need to get an API key from somewhere, you don't need to write any code for it. And you just need to sign up at Toolhouse and describe what you want. Everything is there, it's all preloaded for you, you just need to hook it up. So by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can create that agent and prompt it with something like this. Find marketing profiles for my business at Toolhouse.ai in San Francisco, in Spain, or whatever your use case is. You just have to build the agent. And when you're done building the agent and everything is good, you test it out and it's ready for you to use. There are like 3 ways that you can use it. Either you can just call it with an API, like an API call using curl or like Postman or whatever you're into, or just build a UI for it. You can just grab a prompt from our Agent Studio, build it on Lovable or Bolt, share it with your friend or co-workers, just get it out there with a UI, or just schedule it to run. So you have this agent and you don't need to every time run it yourself. You just schedule it for every 2 weeks, every week, or every month at a specific time, and this agent gets into action and gives you the result you need. Alright, I'm going to show you exactly how this stuff works. You just need to pause the video right now and sign up to Toolhouse. I'm going to make sure a link appears in the screen somewhere. I'm going to leave in the description the agent, so you can just grab the agent, make it yours, and play around with it. And it's pretty simple, like to build everything from scratch. Alright, just pause the video. Okay, I hope you paused the video and signed up. Okay, let's go to the Agent Studio. That's my agent. As you can see, I just one-shotted this prompt. So, like, create an agent to search LinkedIn for marketing managers at tech startups. And it just created that agent file for me. And I wanted to have a JSON schema like that. Hey, I want things to look like this always. It's like when you use ChatGPT and ChatGPT always comes with a different format or something. I just need this format to be like this. This is what a JSON schema is, like what it does. So yeah, it'll always retain something like this. I can go ahead and just preview it. This is when I know I'm happy with it. So here on Agent Studio, you can just write down find marketing profiles for my business at Toolhouse.ai in San Francisco, let's say, and I can just shoot it, wait for the agent's output. If I like it, I can take everything a step further. Great, it's using LinkedIn search a bunch of times. Fantastic. It goes out, searches everything. If they have an email, it fetches it. It has a phone, it's going to fetch it. Like the history, whatever I defined in that schema is going to be fetched with the tool. It's not a promotion, but yeah, we got the people here. Still working out on the people, and yeah, great. We got everyone here. You can just press on the links, check it out yourself. This is not a promotion, but yeah, you can see it fetched the right contact in the San Francisco Bay Area. Great. And so yeah, I'm happy with the agent. I know I'm gonna use this, so I can just go ahead, click publish. Magic. You get everything. I get the use it now thing, like the preview that I just showed you, a link to it, the Lovable prompt, the Bolt prompt, the API, and the scheduling. So I can just go ahead and play around with the agent. I went ahead in Lovable. I created this chatbot that we give you by default with that prompt. So I can just, again, come here and say, create that. You can just ignore the fact that I'm using a JSON schema. It will act as a normal chatbot, like a ChatGPT with LinkedIn capability. So you got everything here. I like this kinda, but I went ahead and got a little bit creative with it. So I transformed this ChatGPT style to a flashcard kind of way. So if I put the same prompt here, search marketing profiles in San Francisco for my business, If I search it out, hopefully it's going to render everything into a better UI, like a more visualized way, right? All right, let's see if it can do that. This is great. So now the UI is a bit different, still has the same goal, but you're gonna parse the output that I defined with Toolhouse in a different way. So either you're gonna have a chat bot like this that you can just share this link to your friends with Lovable here, or you can transform it into something like looks a bit cool, a bit more UI friendly. Everything is one shot. It's not about the time that I put in, it's just the possibilities that you can just unlock. So here I can just click this person, view this, again, correct output. I'm not from US, but I'm assuming California and San Francisco are, it's still close, right? So yeah, this is the whole LinkedIn profile finder that you can use. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so you can just grab this agent. You can remove all this stuff, JSON schema if that confuses you, or if you don't want that. And yeah, that's how easy it is using Toolhouse and agents on it. All right, I see you in the next one. Make sure you comment what you'd like to see next, and bye for now. Bye bye.